Today we have here the Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. It's a European premiere of this very versatile range of boats. It's a 41-footer. This one is powered with triple 600 Mercury Verados, so it's really the state of the art. It's one of the highest level boats that you can see here on the show. Well, the characteristics is, of course, first of all, it's a Boston Whaler, and that means it's an unsinkable boat. We use a foam that is put under pressure in the hull, which makes the boat practically unsinkable. So that is a very characteristic thing about Boston Whaler. For the rest, it's a very versatile boat. It can be used for fishing, as you see the big back part. It can be used to party with friends. It can be used for cruising. It's a very multi-purpose boat, this one. It's a very international public. We have a great market share here in Italy. There's a lot of people that know Boston Whaler. I think most of the boaters, they know Boston Whaler. Everybody dreams about Boston Whaler. Our customers for this type of boats are really customers with high expectations. They want a very safe boat to go out when the weather is bad, in big waves. They want to be safe for themselves, for their friends, for their family. So it's people with high expectations, and this boat can easily fulfill all these expectations.